do you guys think is going to happen here? We got some good leather. All right, watch out. We're getting closer to that vehicle. Pedestrian. Okay. All right. Well, my big issue here. All right, we're going to pull one thing from most of these videos is that you see the pedestrian right there. We're not adjusting our speed whatsoever. So here's the pedestrian. We're still kind of in line getting ready for him. And we didn't adjust our speed. We didn't make it easier for this pedestrian. What if this pedestrian decided to stop right there and we had our hand up? So I think he puts his hand up. Let's see. So let's say the pedestrian decided to stop right there because he couldn't go, because maybe this person all of a sudden stopped. Everyone's like, oh, what's going to go? What's happening? What's happening? So what are you going to do when you have one hand off? Are you good with swerving with one hand? Okay, cool. If you are, where are you going to swerve? You're going to swerve into the curb? You're going to swerve right? What are you going to do? So in this situation, the main primary control that you could utilize to help out a ton is this thing right here, that front brake. Use your front brake, roll off the throttle, allow that person out. Because at the end of the day, you know, we see people hitting deers all the time and they're getting destroyed. Imagine hitting this person, right? All right, guys, come on. Let's not do stupid stuff like this. Not worth it.